In this video, I will share with you step by step how to contact Turbo AI support team. So friends, let's get started. First, go to Google, search for Turbo AI support. Click the first website here, customer support. You will see this page. This is a customer support. You can contact this services team through this email, as you can see here. Click on this contact Turbo Learn AI. When you click this one, you will open this email page. This is for email page, as you can see here. You can start contact support team via this email. Just click this email here. You will open this page, angle this page, write your subject here, and then you can start contact him. Basically, this is how you can do, friends. Click this email support, and then you can use to start reach the support team. Basically, this is understand timely assets, and this is customer team. You will get back within 48 hours. So just wait 48 hours to get a response, a reply. Thanks for watching this.